Hey, today we are in Audi and I'm going to show you how to remove the key from the ignition if it's stuck over there. And this could happen if you have some gearbox malfunction. In my case, the gearbox was not recognizing that it is in park, and when your gearbox is not in park, it will not give you the possibility to remove the key. So let's do it right now. I will put it into drive. I will shut down the ignition. Ignition is off, and I want to take out the key, but I can't. So what you need to do is take a pen, and there's a little hole right over here that you can press, and when it's pressed, you can remove the key. Okay, give me thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial, and check my other tutorials about Audi and other cars, and subscribe for future videos. See you soon.